Birds with long neck. Birds with long necks are adapted for various purposes, including feeding, reaching prey, and navigating their environments. Here are some examples of birds with long necks. Swan. Swans are known for their elegant long necks, which they use for gracefully reaching aquatic plants and submerged vegetation in lakes and ponds. Flamingo. Flamingos have long, slender necks that they use to feed in shallow waters. Heron. Herons have long necks that allow them to patiently wade in water. Waiting for fish or other prey to come within striking distance. They can quickly extend their necks to catch their prey. Egret. Similar to herons, egrets have long necks and wade in water to catch fish, frogs, and insects. They are often seen in wetlands and marshy areas. Cranes. Cranes have long necks that they use for foraging in grasslands and wetlands. They are known for their distinctive calls and graceful dance displays. Ostrich. Ostriches are flightless birds with long necks that help them reach vegetation in their arid habitats. They are the largest living bird species. Albatross. Albatrosses have long necks relative to their body size. Which allows them to reach for food in the open ocean. They are highly skilled gliders and can cover vast distances without flapping their wings. Pelican. Pelicans have long necks with a distinctive pouch-like bill. They use their long necks to scoop up fish in water. which they then drain out of their pouch before swallowing the prey. Necktie bird, Aninga. Aningas are sometimes called snake birds. Due to their long, slender necks. They use their sharp bills to spear fish underwater. These are just a few examples of birds with long necks. Each adapted to their specific ecological niche and feeding habits. The length and flexibility of a bird's neck play a crucial role in its survival and hunting strategies. Please subscribe our channel.